My first day, a young lady looked at me and said, "I'm gonna beat your mother." Beep, 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 beep. I said, "Young lady, I don't even know how to clock in yet. Can we let's just talk about it? Let's just figure it out. You know, how's Georgia treating everybody? Good, good. What y'all been doing? What kind of sightseeing y'all doing so far? What'd you say, YOLO? Oh, the pillow. Oh, okay. Anybody going to ghost tour yet? You did? Just a couple people? How'd it go? It was wonderful. I was at the bar last night. I saw a lot of y'all chasing spirits. Alexis came in here just for that joke. Give her a round of applause. Tell her to get out of here. That's it. She said she was coming in just to hear that joke. I tried it yesterday and people laughed, so I was like, let me do it again. I got another laugh. All right, what are we talking about? Okay, let's talk about, I have good news and bad news. Good first? Bad? Well, I don't really have bad news. I just only have good news. So let me just say the good news. Everybody who attends this workshop is going to get a free book today. I brought a bunch. I noticed I had a bunch in the car, so I was like, why not hook y'all up for being here? Oh, the bad news is I did not give books out for those that attended the workshop yesterday. So do not let them know that. But you can use that spirits joke when you're out networking, please. You know, just give me a credit, shout me out, hashtag Curtis, made y'all laugh. All right, what are we talking about? Oh, superhero techniques. Workforce development. Every time I would go and do a presentation, I would say, y'all are the heroes, because y'all are really the ones that are helping influence change. I'm up here just talking about spirits, right? So eventually I was like, why not create a workshop geared towards being a hero in the workforce? This is a brand new workshop, second time I did it, so let's make it happen. Y'all ready for this? Yes. Did y'all love the spirit show? Yes. Stop lying. All right. Here's a little background of me. My background, I started as a group home worker. That was probably the hardest job I ever had. That was girls on one side, boys on the other, and that one desk in the middle. Everybody just trying to get through their shift. Woo. You learn about change. My first day, a young lady looked at me and said, "I'm going to beat your mother." Beep, 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 beep. I said, "Young lady, I don't even know how to clock in yet. Can we let's just talk about it. Let's just figure it out. You know, you gotta learn about change. I'll tell you, I had some espresso, so y'all are going to be with me on this journey for this next hour. I was the director of a YMCA. That was the first time I was ever a leader. I thought once you get a leadership job, things become easier, right? You're a leader. Now people are going to just follow you. It's going to be good. My very first meeting, at the end of it, I was so proud, like in my mind, I was like, wow, that was phenomenal. Leadership on display. Jeez, I'm good. That's what I said. And then I said, does anybody have any questions? And one lady raises her hand like this. She's like, I got a question. And by the way, if somebody says like, I got a question, they don't have a question. They want to tell you something. And she said, you're a jerk. That's not a question at all. What? I thought I was the man. I learned a lot about change. I learned a lot about being a hero. Program manager of a juvenile justice probation program, area manager of a Department of Labor program, transition director where we served 145 of the most at-risk young people in the state of Florida. And when I say most at-risk, multiple commitments. It's either we change now or worst case is about to happen. And now founder of Speak for MC. Does anybody know what Speak for MC stands for? My heart is breaking. What was it? Mr. Who? Mr. Cool? Oh, I kind of like that. Speaking with Mr. Cool. Okay, we're going to switch it up. I like that. This guy right here, look at that guy. See how happy he is? That was my first name badge straight out of college. Got my bachelor's degree in psychology, making $29,000 a year, balling. I got my button down on. That was the only button down I owned. I was ironing it every morning. Go into work. I'm so happy. I bought that button down with Kohl's cash. Y'all got Kohl's around y'all? Oh, yeah, I was so proud of it. I was like, look at me. I have another picture of about 6 months into the job. I don't know why y'all laughing. Maybe I'm happy too. Can I show you that picture? So this guy, we're going to change the world all by himself. He's a hero. Look at him. Oh, that's my cape. Let me show you 6 months.